Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you guys about all the products that I've finished up. I noticed that this basket that I have for all my empties is getting pretty full, and once it gets full I usually do a video. So I'll quickly go through these products with you guys and tell you guys if I want to repurchase them or not, or if I already have. I can love a product, but if I'm going to repurchase it and continue to spend my money on it, that's when you know that the product is amazing. So I'm just going to get into this bin and start talking about each product. Okay, so the first product is my Youth to the People Kale Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Face Wash. Super long name. I usually just call it the Superfood Face Wash. This product is probably one of my favorite skincare products of all time. So this is a product that I would repurchase myself, even though that they've gifted it to me. And when they eventually stop sending me stuff, I hope that that day never comes. But if they do, then I will be repurchasing this myself. The next product is the Body Shop Satsuma Body Wash, and I really love their body washes. I think the next purchase is going to be the coconut one. It smells so good, and this is actually a scent that brings me back to my childhood. I remember having like a hand cream, or maybe it was like a yoga teacher that had a hand cream like this, and it just brings me back to my childhood. I love it. It's just like this really fruity orange scent, and it smells so yummy. So yeah, this is done, but I'm going to repurchase the coconut one next. I'm actually not sure if I've talked about this product before. This is the Body Hero, and I wasn't a huge fan of the scent, but I think Wes just uses this. I'm pretty sure, because how else would it be done? But yeah, this is finally done, so I'm going to toss it, and I won't be repurchasing this. The scent wasn't my favorite. Oh, and I also want to mention that I emailed them saying that the scent wasn't my favorite. I wasn't like a huge fan, just to give them feedback, and they actually reimbursed me. So if there's anything from Glossier, their team is amazing, and if there's anything you don't love, let them know, or if it's the wrong shade or something like that, just let them know, and they may reimburse you, they may not, but they have a really great team there that's willing to help you find the right products. This product was still on my desk, but I want to talk about it now before I forget. This is the Becca First Light Priming Filter, and I am almost done this product. Probably 2 more uses, because I do pump like 3 to 4 pumps each time I use it. I slather this on my face. It's not my favorite primer, but it does feel really nice and cooling in the summertime. And yeah, I'm almost done it, and I'm really excited to finish it up. I love finishing up products. Anyone else? Okay, the next product is kind of boring. This is just my shampoo that I get at my salon. I already have repurchased this a while ago, and I'm almost done it, but I won't be repurchasing this anymore. I am obsessed with the Garnier Fructis Aloe shampoo and conditioner, I believe it is. I cannot get enough of that conditioner and shampoo. They're incredible, and this is $30, and I think I paid $3 on sale for the Garnier one. So I will not be repurchasing my salon shampoo anymore. I found something that I love way more and is a fraction of the price. Oh, I didn't even mention what it is, but I guess you don't really need to know. Oh, okay, so this is actually the shampoo that I was just mentioning. This is the Hydra Purify, that's what it's called, by Garnier Fructis, and I'm already done one of them. I think I've finished like 2 or 3 of these already, and I have 3 more stockpiled. So I'm really happy that I tried this, and it's such a great shampoo, and the conditioner is awesome too. I'm just taking a lot longer to finish the conditioner. Okay, so the next product is the Glossier Solution. This is one of my favorite chemical exfoliators. It has a pump on the top, and all you have to do is just put your cotton pad on there and press down, and it works so well for my skin. I haven't been using it lately because it's been giving my skin a little bit of a break. And I'm also trying out the Drunk Elephant TLC Framboos, that one. I like the convenience of the Drunk Elephant one only because I can just squirt it in with some of my serum and then apply it that way instead of using a cotton pad, if that makes sense. But I do have two of these stockpiled. So I will be eventually going back to this, and then this was also in my most recent giveaway, just because I love it so much, and I think more people need to try it out. Anyone who has skin problems, I mention that product because I just think it's like a miracle worker. Okay, the next product is the facial mist in rose water. This is by Heritage Store. So this product is my favorite facial mist ever. Okay, not ever, but this is the one that I use constantly. My favorite one ever, now that we're getting into it, is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Obsessed, cannot afford, so this works just as well. This is the rose water, and it's just pure rose water. I get this at the health food store, and I love using this. I spray it on kind of like a toner sometimes, and sometimes I just mist it on top after I've done my skincare. So I go through these all the time. What I usually do is I take this bigger bottle and put it into smaller spray bottles. I have one by my bed, I have one on my desk, and then one in the bathroom, and I'm obsessed. Okay, the next one is actually another primer. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer, and I've already repurchased this, and I think I might include it in a giveaway soon. I scraped every last drop out of here, and it was really difficult by the end to actually get in there and take out all the product. If I wasn't so persistent, I would have wasted a ton of product, but I definitely recommend just like popping it open, getting like a little spatula or something, and just pulling out all the product, because there is so much left in here, especially in a glass bottle like this. It's difficult to kind of like press it out or anything like that, but I did finish it up, and yeah, I love this primer. Okay, the next product is a little tester. This is the Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream, and I got this, I think, as a sample or something. I want to say maybe like rewards. It has really great hydration, and it keeps my skin like locked in with moisture. I love it, but I'm not going to purchase the full size because I have another cream that I love even more. Speaking of that cream that I love even more, this is the Drunk Elephant Protini. Did I say that right? Protini. And I am obsessed with this product. The only thing is that once you're done, like, you have no idea, because there's nothing indicating how much product is left, and nothing comes out of the pump. I love the packaging on this. I think that it's really awesome and really hygienic. All I do is I take one little pump on top, and then I add my serum and my facial oil on top here, and then I mix it, and then I put it on my face all in one. So I do really like it for that purpose. However, when I ran out of this, I immediately had to purchase another one. I think next time I'm just gonna have to buy a backup, because I did not want to be out of this at all. Like, this is such a great face cream. I'm obsessed with it, and now I have little mini ones, so I can travel with it, and if I, God forbid, finish this one soon, then I will at least have a little bit of a backup to give me some leeway to buy a new one. Okay, so this product is the Glossier Soothing Face Mist, and most of you may not even recognize the packaging, because this is the old packaging, and you can still hear that there's some in it. I didn't even finish it. I don't love it. Now that I've started using the rose water from the health food store, I find that it's so pure and does wonders for my skin, whereas this rose water spray does like nothing. So yeah, I'm just gonna toss this. So we have 3 different makeup products next. This is my Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. As you can see, I've cut it to get all the last bit of product out of there, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. I have already repurchased it, and this is probably my 4th tube that I'm on right now, and I just love this concealer. Nothing else compares to it. Okay, next we have 2 Glossier products. We have the Glossier Boy Brow in brown, and we also have their Lash Slick. So both of these products, I usually buy them at the same time, and that's why they like run out at the same time. The Boy Brow lasts so much longer than I expected, because it's such a small tube, and then the Lash Slick actually goes a little bit dry, and you can't get any more product out of there. So I usually buy these at the same time, they run out at the same time, that sort of thing. I am going to repurchase the Boy Brow because I just can't live without it, especially in the summertime. It's like the easiest thing to throw in your brows and just run out the door. However, I'm not going to repurchase the Lash Slick. I feel like this wand is pretty universal, and I can find it other places for a little bit cheaper, especially because it's $20 and I have to buy more in order to get the free shipping. So I'm not going to purchase the Lash Slick again. I'm going to look for more concealers, possibly from, sorry, not concealers, mascaras. So if you guys have any recommendations, or even some from the drugstore, if you like them with this type of wand, then let me know in the comments down below. Okay, we're almost done. The next product is another Youth to the People product. This is the Adaptogen Cream, and I am a little bit upset about this, and actually another one too. I might as well talk about it now. This is the Youth to the People Dream Mask, and I was actually gifted both of these, and I really, I found that the adaptogen cream was a little bit too light for my skin. It didn't quite hydrate as much as I like. But that's when the Dream Mask came in and I was obsessed. So this mask is super thick. It really leaves a glow on your skin when you wake up the next day, and it locks in all of the products. So I usually apply a little bit of this Dream Mask after all of my skincare and then I leave it on overnight. The best type of masks are the ones that you can leave on because you don't have to wash them off and then you don't have to use all this other product. You just apply it, you leave it, and then you wake up with the most beautiful glowing skin. And I pretty much used it every night. Yeah, every night. The reason why I was a little bit disappointed is because, especially with the adaptogen cream, I wasn't reaching for it all the time, and because of that, Wes actually took over and finished it up before I can even think about it. So it's kind of a bummer because it's such an expensive cream. It's $90, and trust me, if I spent $90 on this cream, I would have been way more pissed. I guess because I didn't love this product that it was okay, but I'm still a little bit sad that he finished this up before I could even try it for a long period of time. Okay, the next product is another Drunk Elephant product. This is the Hydra Intensive Hydrating Serum. I actually bought this purely to dilute my Protini cream because my Protini cream was going by way too quickly and I just wanted to be able to make it last longer. And so I actually bought this serum just to add a pump of this into it and to make it last longer, but I ended up falling in love with it. What I actually do is I will take a pump of the Protini, or sometimes I will switch up how much I use of the Protini versus this. So last night, for instance, I used half a pump of Protini because I didn't need as much moisture, and then I used 3 pumps of the Hydra mixed with my facial oil, and that gave me a lighter moisturizer. Whereas if I use more of the Protini and less of the Hydra, then it gives me more of a thick moisturizer, and it really, really adds that hydration to my skin. So I find that using these two together really helps me to customize what my skin needs at that moment. And the last product is a deodorant. I know some people are like, what the heck? But this is the Native deodorant in the scent Coconut and Vanilla. And I actually heard about this deodorant through Kathleen Lights, who raves about it. It's an aluminum-free and paraben-free deodorant, and I was all over it. It was only like $10, I think, and some of the ones that they sell at Sephora are like $30. So I was like, this is a steal. Like, let's just try it out. And then I actually loved it, and I reached out to the company and I was like, hey, I love your product. Like, let's work together because more people need to know about it. And so they actually gave me a code so that you guys can get 10% off your order. I will leave the link and the code in the description down below so you guys can try this out because I really, really love it. And then I've also tried another version from them where you can actually customize your own deodorant based on a survey. So you fill out everything. They ask you a bunch of questions about how much scent you like. Do you like sweet scents, florally scents, that sort of thing. And they really go in depth with asking you all of these questions. And when I got my deodorant in the mail, I was so amazed. It literally said Maddy's deodorant on it. I should show you guys, but I'm a little too lazy. But I'm obsessed with it. I think that the smell is even better than the coconut and vanilla that I've tried. And I mean, it's my own. It's everything that I could ever want in deodorant, and I love it so much. So if you guys are looking for an aluminum-free deodorant, it's worth a shot to try, and it's super cheap. And yeah, you're gonna get an extra 10% on my discount code anyway. So that is the rest of all of my stuff. I'm so happy that I can finally throw this stuff out because it's just been cluttering up in my drawer, and now I can just get rid of it and start fresh. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys enjoy watching my like beauty trash videos. Is that what they're called? I don't know. Let me know what products you continue to repurchase down below in the comments because I want to know what products deserve a repurchase, because those are the products that I want to be trying. Not the products that you just like right now, but the products you've actually repurchased. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!